So number 2, how do you write 3/8 in percentages? So I want 3/8 as a percent. So when we look at percentages, what do we have to do? Well, we want to convert, we can either convert this guy into, we can multiply it by 1,000, or we can convert it to a decimal first. It's honestly up to you as to how to figure out this answer. So in this case, if I want to do one direct step, what I would do is I would actually do 3/8 multiplied by 100% here to convert it to a percent. And if I didn't have a calculator, what I would have to do is I would have to kind of reduce these terms, right? I know that both these terms are divisible by 4. So I can say that this is divisible by, this here is simply 2. This here is simply divisible by 4, which makes 25 here. And I can't simplify those any further. So I would get this percent. I get 3 times 25, which is 75. 75 over 2 here percent, and this would equal whatever 72 divided by 2 is. And I can do this on the side here. There's some side work here. So what is 75 divided by 2? Well, I'm simply just using long division, right? So 2 times what number goes into 7? Closest is 7. This would be 3. 3 times 2 here is 6. 7 minus 6 here is 1. I'll bring down the 5 here. 2 times what number is closest to 15? I know it's 7. Is closest to 15. This will be 1. And then I have to add a 0 here to bring this down. So it's 0. 2 times 5 is equal to 0, right? And I'll have a decimal here. 10 minus 0. So my answer here is 37.5. So this answer here is 37.5%. And this here is the correct answer for my solution. And what they did here was they actually converted to decimal first, and then they converted it into a percentage. So either way works fine. I just did mine in one step because I'm allowed to change this into percent. I just have to simply multiply by 100% for me to change this to percentage here. And all I had to do was do the long division for whatever 75 divided by 2 is, which is 37.5%. So the solution is correct. As you can see, they got the solution correct as well.